Hello, welcome to This Old Geek. I found this box full of felt that I haven't used and some artificial fleece. Since the holidays coming up, I decided to make a few things using it. I decided to make some stockings for Christmas for the grandkids. So I made this pattern and I'm tracing it onto a large sheet of red felt. Get them all cut out here. So for the trim, or whatever you want to call it, I just use a white piece of felt and just gluing it on the back here with some craft glue. This is going to be the outside of the stocking, so I let that dry, and then I fold it together and I sew it. I always sew by hand because I don't own or even know how to use a sewing machine. And when I have it all sewn together, then I turn it right side out. And when I'm done with that, then I'm ready to decorate it. You can decorate these however you want. I use pieces of felt. I just cut out designs and glued them onto it. And there you go, easy Christmas stockings. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and happy holidays.